Envision a scenario where wars are fought not just with soldiers and tanks, but with algorithms and artificial intelligence. A world where threats are neutralized before they even materialize, where defense systems think and adapt faster than any human could. This is the cutting edge of military technology, and it's happening right now in one of the most volatile regions on Earth. Welcome to Israel, a nation smaller than New Jersey, surrounded by adversaries, and at the forefront of AI-powered defense systems. Today we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing warfare, with Israel leading the charge. But before we begin, let me ask you this. In a world where machines can make life or death decisions in milliseconds, where do we draw the line between security and responsibility? To understand why Israel is at the forefront of AI-powered defense, we need to understand its unique geopolitical situation. Israel, a country of just 9 million people, is surrounded by nations and groups that have historically been hostile. With threats potentially coming from multiple directions, Israel has always needed to stay one step ahead in terms of military technology. Traditional defense systems simply can't keep up with the speed and complexity of these modern threats. That's where AI comes in. So, what exactly is AI in the context of military defense? Let's break it down. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is about creating systems that can perceive their environment, learn from it, and take actions that maximize their chance of success. In military terms, this translates to systems that can 1. Detect threats faster and more accurately than humans. 2. Analyze vast amounts of data to predict enemy movements. 3. Make split-second decisions on intercepting incoming threats. 4. Adapt to new tactics and strategies in real time. Israel has been investing heavily in these capabilities, and the results are nothing short of revolutionary. Let's look at some of the key AI-powered systems that Israel has developed or is in the process of developing. You've probably heard of Iron Dome, Israel's missile defense system that's been operational since 2011. But did you know that the latest version is powered by AI? Iron Dome 2.0 uses machine learning algorithms to predict the trajectory of incoming rockets with greater accuracy, distinguish between real threats and decoys, optimize interceptor deployment for maximum effectiveness. The result? A success rate of over 90% in intercepting incoming threats, saving countless lives. Israel's borders are long and often difficult to patrol. That's where the Border Guardian system comes in. This AI-powered network of sensors and cameras can detect and classify movement along the border, distinguish between animals, civilians, and potential threats, alert human operators only when necessary, reducing false alarms. The system learns from each interaction, constantly improving its accuracy and efficiency. Perhaps the most ambitious project is Athena, an AI system designed to assist in battlefield decision-making. While still in development, Athena aims to analyze real-time battlefield data from multiple sources, predict enemy movements and intentions, suggest optimal tactics and strategies to human commanders. The goal isn't to replace human decision-makers, but to provide them with superhuman analytical capabilities. In the digital age, cybersecurity is just as important as physical defense. Israel's Cyber Shield is an AI-powered system that monitors network traffic for anomalies, predicts and prevents cyber attacks before they happen, adapts to new types of threats in real time. This system protects not just military networks, but critical civilian infrastructure as well. Now, let's geek out for a moment and look at the technology that makes these systems possible. At the heart of many of these systems are deep learning neural networks. These are AI models inspired by the human brain, capable of learning complex patterns from vast amounts of data. For example, the Iron Dome 2.0 uses neural networks trained on years of data from previous rocket attacks. This allows it to predict the trajectory and impact point of incoming rockets with incredible accuracy. Computer vision algorithms allow systems like the Border Guardian to see and interpret visual data. These algorithms can distinguish between different types of objects and movements, even in low-light conditions or through camouflage. Systems like Athena use natural language processing to analyze intelligence reports, communications, and even social media chatter. This allows them to build a comprehensive picture of the battlefield situation. This type of AI learns through trial and error, constantly improving its performance. It's particularly useful in simulations, allowing systems to practice and refine their strategies without real-world consequences. Now, you might be thinking, are we handing over our defense to robots? The short answer is no. Despite all this advanced technology, humans are still very much in the loop. Israeli military doctrine emphasizes the importance of human oversight in all AI-powered systems. Here's how it works. 1. AI systems gather and analyze data, making initial assessments. 2. They present this information to human operators in an easy-to-understand format. 3. Humans make the final decisions, especially in life or death situations. This approach combines the speed and analytical power of AI with human judgment and ethical considerations. Speaking of ethics, let's address the elephant in the room. The use of AI in military applications raises some serious ethical questions. 1. Accountability. Who's responsible if an AI system makes a mistake that costs lives? 2. Transparency. How can we ensure these systems are making decisions we understand and agree with? 3. Escalation. Could AI-powered systems make conflicts more likely or more destructive? 4. Privacy. How much surveillance is too much, even in the name of security? Israel, like many countries developing these technologies, is grappling with these questions. They've established ethical guidelines for AI in defense, emphasizing human control and the principles of international humanitarian law. But as these systems become more advanced, the ethical debates are sure to intensify. Israel's advancements in AI-powered defense aren't happening in isolation. They're part of a global race to harness AI for military purposes. The United States is working on similar systems, like the SHIELD program for missile defense. China has announced ambitious plans for AI-driven warfare capabilities. Russia claims to be developing AI-powered nuclear command and control systems. Israel's innovations are closely watched by allies and adversaries alike. Many of these technologies have dual-use potential, meaning they could be adapted for civilian applications as well. So, where does all this leave us? As we look to the future, a few things seem clear. 1. AI will play an increasingly important role in military and defense operations worldwide. 2. The ethical and legal frameworks governing these technologies will need to evolve rapidly. 3. The global balance of power may shift based on who can best harness AI for defense and offense. Israel, with its unique combination of technological prowess and urgent security needs, is likely to remain at the forefront of these developments. We started this journey by imagining a world where wars are fought with algorithms and AI. Now, we realize that world is already here. Israel's AI-powered defense systems represent a new chapter in the age-old story of human conflict. They promise greater security and fewer casualties, but they also raise profound questions about the nature of warfare and the role of human decision-making. As these technologies continue to advance, we'll all need to grapple with their implications. Because in the end, the choices we make about how to use AI in defense will shape not just the future of warfare, but the future of our societies. The future of defense is here. The question is, are we ready for it? If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you.